Hello everyone, welcome from Tech Tips. Today I've got this mainboard MSI. It's quite good mainboard for the time when it's been new, and actually there is a Q660 CPU inside. I've been this mainboard donated to me and I'm actually not sure if it's working, but I'll be now just quickly test to see if it's got any post from this mainboard, and if it's, I will build some budget PC. Not sure if it's for gaming or something else, but definitely we'll go and try this now. Okay, now I quickly connect this just for the quick test, and we will test this now. I'll find the power. This. Okay, maybe I need to switch on the power supply first. It's actually now, and hopefully, I'm not sure if it's the power supply though, right? Yeah. And we actually got a picture as well. A pretty high CPU temperature, and that's why it's running as crazy. There's no thermal paste at all, but there you can see this is how I test the PC quickly as possible. So let's see if it's all is working. But there I got a picture and everything looks alright. Yeah, all good, all fine, and I think I will be test and build some nice budget PC from this mainboard soon as possible. That means stay tuned, click like, click subscribe for this build, which will be coming hopefully soon.